The question I have for you is, would you use this lens for street photography? Hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're a regular viewer, and if you're a new viewer, hope you enjoy the video. Today I've come out to Central Milton Keynes, I'm just walking there now, to use a lens that I wouldn't normally use for street photography, but I've been asked by one of my viewers if I would create a video using it. Right, so I've got the 11 to 22 millimeter, the Canon 11 to 22 on the Canon M50 Mark II. So as you can see, it's a lovely size lens. It's actually really well made. It's got a metal mount, really feels good on the camera. Just like the kit lens, to open it up you need to push this little button forward and turn the dial so it clicks in position, and we start off at a focal length of 11. So it does come out slightly, and as we go to 22 it just moves a little bit. It has an aperture of f4 when it's at 11, but if you zoom into 22 the best you're going to get is f5.6. so it's not a very wide aperture. I wouldn't normally use this for street photography myself, but I did get asked by one of my viewers if I would take it out on a street photography trip, so that's what we're doing now to see how it performs. So we're going to get a few warm-up shots. I've set this onto manual, so let's turn it on. At the moment, let's see what we've got. I've got ISO 100, so I've set that at 100 at 5.6. we've got a nice hotel here, so we're at, let's put it to 11. So we just need to have a shutter speed there of 500 at 5.6. we've got nice blue sky. Let's just take that shot. Now let's see what that looks like at 22, so you can see the difference between 11 and 22. Now there seems to be a slight delay when I take that picture. Let me just check my settings, just as I thought. I had that on timer for something else I was doing. Always remember to put your settings back. I'm going to try that again, because that was putting me off. So this is 22, that's better, that's instant, and this is at 11. So let's go further into town. Now the only thing with Milton Keynes is it's an indoor shopping centre, so most of the people are indoors and they don't really like you taking photos in there. You can do, but security often stop you. It's alright with the mobile phone. As soon as you take a camera in there, they sometimes question it. So we're going to start walking in, see if we can get some people shots, and I think on this wide angle we'll get some building shots as well. I didn't have time to set the camera then. I saw the scooter coming by, I just had to take it. So let's just hope for the best on that particular one. So we've just got a scooter here with a shadow. I think we'll get this. Let's make sure, what are we on? 11. So we've got some nice shadows there. You just got to be careful when you're very wide not to get your own shadow. Always remember to move your focal point back to the center. So just press this button here, hold it in, and it takes your focus point back to the center, ready for the next shot. It's one of those things you need to get in the habit of. It's so easy to forget. So we've got some nice shadows down here. Let's see if we can get somebody walking through. So we zoomed into 22. Let's see that. We're going to try and see, I don't feel I'm close enough. So at 11, we've got some lovely shadows here. It's okay. Okay, just got somebody coming through that shadow. That was okay. The trouble is they stop for you and you don't want them to. So I have got this on servo mode, and I've set the delete button so that I can change it quickly. I'll see if I can get another one. Oh, you're okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, some lovely shadows there. Like going into 22 there. I think when you're doing people photography, 22 is really nice because you're getting a bit more of the area and the people, so you can see all the scene. But I find at the moment 11, I couldn't even see them on the screen. I've just got somebody walking through the shadows there. This is the middle of October and it's like summer. I should not have put a coat on today. This is unbelievable. Oh. Sorry, it's alright. That's okay. See if we can get sunburst there. That's me walking back from Central Milton Keynes, doing a little bit of street photography with the Canon 11 to 22. Now you would have seen the photos by now. I've got to go back and process them. I take them all in RAW, so they all need processing. Let me just give you my verdict as I feel at the moment about the 11 to 22. Absolutely brilliant lens, absolutely love the lens. I seem to get really good sharp images with it. Problem is that doing street photography, I felt more comfortable at 22 than I did at 11. 11 gives you a really wide shot and I couldn't really see the subjects. Could be my eyes of course, but I couldn't really see the subjects on the screen. So I think personally I'm going to leave the 11 to 22 for landscape photography, and on street photography I'll use probably one of 3 prime lenses, either the 22, I've got the Canon 22 and the Viltrox 23, they're okay, the Canon and the Sigma at 30 and 32, which again I like for street photography, but I keep coming back to my favourite being the Sigma. Tell me what you think. Have you done street photography, or do you do street photography with the 11 to 22? What do you think about going as wide as 11? just put some comments below, tell me what you think, whether you've used it, how you get on, and if there's any other lenses you want me to go out with that I've got in my collection, just let me know and I'll go out and try and do some more photography with them. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss future videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.